Hello, our kitty can draw friends. Who's ready for a giftacular adventure? Let's draw a stack of presents. First, draw a horizontal line at the bottom. Then draw a vertical line coming up from each side. Then draw a rectangle on top for the lid. Draw a smaller half rectangle on the right. Then draw a vertical line coming down from it and connect it to the box with a horizontal line to make the side of the box. Decorate the box and the lid with 2 vertical lines for the ribbon. Then decorate the side of the box similarly. For the ribbon tie, draw a triangular shape coming up from the top of the box and another similar one facing it. Then draw half an oval shape under each triangle. For the last part of the ribbon, draw 2 lines coming out from under the tie, connected at the end with the letter V. Repeat the same step on the other side. To make another present on the right side, draw half a rectangle shape attached to the right side of the first present. Draw a small rectangle next to it for the side. Draw a vertical line coming down from the middle and connect it to the first present with a horizontal line. Draw a vertical line coming down from the side and connect it to the middle with a horizontal line as well. Decorate the box and the side with vertical lines, similar to the first present. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. For the ribbon tie, draw half an oval shape on top with a pointy end near the box. Then draw a smaller one inside, then repeat the same step 2 more times. Then draw the last part of the ribbon similar to the first present. To make a present on the left side, draw a full square on the left side of the first present. Then draw a thin rectangle attached to its right side. Then draw another one partially hidden behind the first present. To make the ribbon tie, on the square facing us, draw a small circle. Then draw 2 triangular shapes coming out from it, one on each side. Then draw half an oval shape on each. Draw the last part of the ribbon, similar to the first 2 presents. Decorate the box with 2 vertical lines, intersecting the tie. Decorate it with 2 horizontal lines as well. To make a 4th present on top, draw half a square on top of the first and second presents. Decorate it with 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines. Draw a small horizontal line coming out from the left side, then draw a vertical line connecting it to the first present. Decorate the sides similarly. For the ribbon tie, draw a small circle on top. Draw 4 triangular shapes coming out from it, 2 on each side. Then draw half an oval shape on each. Draw the last part of the ribbon similarly. Just make it hanging down this time. Draw a small vertical line coming down from the top of the present, with a small circle at its end, and an upside down letter U around it. Make a horizontal line at the bottom to finish the tag. For the fifth present, draw half a square on top of the first and third present. Then draw a rectangle on top, a small rectangle on the side, then a vertical line coming down from it, decorated the same as the first present. Draw the ribbon tie the same as the second present. Draw the last part of the ribbon going anywhere you like. For the last present on top, draw half a square on top of the mountain. Then rectangle on top. A small rectangle on the side. A vertical line going down from it, decorated the same as the last present. Feel free to make the ribbon tie any shape you like from the shapes we already learned. Now let's further decorate our boxes. I decorated one with some circles, one with triangles, and one with some thick vertical lines. Feel free to decorate any way you want. Stacktacular! Now you can draw an amazing stack of presents. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, Don't forget to like and subscribe.